All right, so I'm down here at North Star Rifle Club this morning because I'm going to play around with the new SG Pulse here a little bit, banging some steel over on the known distance range over here, around 800 yards or between like 300 and 800 yards. But first I figured, you know what, let me knock out Hazzbro's Hammer Time Challenge, where you have to shoot either using a 6 arc or a 6.5 Grendel. So I brought my PRS arc out, and we're going to go ahead and give it a rip. So let me get hearing in. And I'm shooting it off a prop. All right. You know what? I'm going to call it right there. I'm not going for the extra coins for the extra points. It's not worth it. That was actually a pretty good run. A lot better than I thought I was going to do off of a prop. Anyway, like I told you guys in the previous video, I am shooting one target. And that's it. There's one target up there, and that's the only time I will shoot this until I've completed all 4 targets using all 4 calibers. Then I might revisit doing it all a second time, but for right now, that's a good enough score that I'm going to just stick with that. So anyway, side note, the SG Pulse was kind of impressive off of this right now. I used to shoot with both eyes open. I had some issues with my vision about 2 years ago that affected one of my eyes, that I started closing my non-dominant eye. And this is forcing me to keep it open again to see the light. And I actually think I did pretty good with it. So anyway, as always, y'all have a great day, and we will see you at the range.